Let's try one more problem where we have subtracting within 1,000 with a missing addend. Okay, let's read the problem. Kim's brother gave her a puzzle with 550 pieces. She put together 138 pieces. How many pieces does she have left? Let's start out by highlighting or circling the information in our problem. Kim's brother gave her a puzzle with 550 pieces. She put together 138 pieces. How many pieces does she have left? Let's see what we have. I'm going to start out with we know it's going to be subtraction within 1,000 with the missing addend. I'm going to use our tape diagram to fill in the information that we know. So I've got my whole goes on top and my parts go here. The puzzle, the box says it has 550 pieces. So 550 is the total amount. She put together 138 pieces. So we know that she put together 138. We don't know how many pieces she has left. Now, could we count them all? Well, certainly we could draw, 550 pieces, cross 138 out. But after a while, that gets a little tedious, and it's very easy to make a mistake. But we don't have to do that because we can use what we know to solve what we don't know. We know that we could make an addition family, we know that we could make an addition sentence, 138 plus something equals 550. And if we can make an addition sentence, we can use what we know of the inverse operation for addition, that's subtraction, and we know how fact families work. We could make a subtraction sentence. 550 minus 138 is going to give us that missing addend. So let's set that up. 550 minus, okay, my cat is sitting right in front of my monitor here, 138. Rose, I'm so sorry. I know, I'm going to have to move you over here. Yes. I'm sorry about that. Rose likes to help, but I can't see what I'm doing when she's sitting right in front of the monitor. Okay, so we've got some subtraction going on. Can I take 8 from 0? Well, I can regroup. I can go over to the tens column. There are 5 tens there. Let's break apart one of those tens. That'll leave us 4 tens and 10 ones. I can subtract now. 10 minus 8. The easiest way for me to subtract is to count up from the number. And although I can do 10 minus 8 or count up from 8 to 10 in my head, I'm going to show you my thought process. 8 in my head, 8, 9, 10. 2 fingers, that is the difference between 8 and 10, or 10. Subtract 8, that's 2. 4 minus 3. Now certainly you could take 4 fingers and take 3 away, or you can go 3 in my head, add 1, that's 4. 5 minus 1, 1 in my head. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Had 4 fingers up, my answer is 4. That is just, I know a lot of you can do that in your head, but for a lot of us, doing addition and subtraction in our head is really difficult, and so I wanted to show you some strategies. So my answer is 412. She should have 412 pieces left. I want to check that. I'm going to do 412, and I'm going to add 138. And this is a way to check my subtraction. I should end up with 550. Let's see. 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put a 0 here. and I'm going to put the 10, the 1 from the 10 up there. So 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 550. 550. That means that we did our subtraction correct, and she has 412 pieces left. Thank you for joining me.